back, legends! Today I am testing a piece of tech that claims it can handle dust, rain, vibration, bad decisions, and even me. I'm artist Wayne Dowsett, and this is the Carpuride W702S Pro. And I will be running it on my bike to see whether it's actually rider-proof, not just brochure-proof. We're talking navigation, screen clarity, tyre pressure monitoring, and whether this thing stays clear and readable when everything else around me is shaking violently like a washing machine full of bricks. So let's crack open the box, poke it with tools, and see if this thing can earn its place on my bike.
Because this is why you're here. Not a desk, not a studio, and definitely not a car park on a sunny Sunday. I test gear in the real world. Mud, rocks, and the occasional unplanned dismount, and the kind of riding that exposes weaknesses very quickly. Anyone can review a product. I pressure test it. I don't baby them, I don't gently evaluate them. I strap them to my bike and ask one simple question: can it survive? If it works out here, it'll work anywhere. So let's dive right in and unbox Carpuride W702 Pro. Alright, let's get stuck into it. And first up, the Carpuride IPS touchscreen. A huge 7 inches. Most blokes don't actually know how big that really is, but trust me, this is a good size. And the screen feels solid, so we're off to a great first impression. And that's important because my riding has absolutely no sympathy. Now, when it comes to powering the unit, you've got options, which I appreciate because not everyone likes commitment. You can hardwire it straight to your battery. This is the set it and forget it option. Or you can simply plug it in via USB, which means zero drama, zero commitment, and you can remove it faster than most bad life decisions. Perfect if you like flexibility or you're not emotionally ready to hardwire things yet. And when it comes to installation, Carpuride has you covered. The CarPlay manual is so impressive, I might even read it myself. Solid mounting gear. None of that hope and pray stuff. And here we go. Tyre pressure monitoring system sensors. These little guys exist purely to stop you saying, yeah, that tyre felt a bit weird, 10 kilometres too late. Alright, enough looking at it, let's power it up, plug it in, and see what this thing can actually do. Alright, I was about to power up Carpuride W702 Pro for the very first time. Nice and quick, no time for second thoughts. Scrolling through the interface, clean and simple. Nothing jumping out yelling, you're about to mess this up. I easily connected Bluetooth, which is always reassuring. Android Auto's up and running, and look at that, it worked. No swearing, no Googling. That's already a win in my book. Every ride deserves a soundtrack, and Carpuride has a built-in equaliser. And as far as navigation is concerned, it's new territory for me. I don't normally navigate, I usually just ride until something looks familiar. But now that I've got this, I might actually start knowing where I'm going. But bench tests are easy, so now it goes on the bike and we find out what it's really made of. Now I've got to say, installing the Carpuride W702 Pro was an absolute breeze. Mounting it to my Yamaha Ténéré 700 was simple, solid and drama-free. Always a win in my book. And yes, I even hardwired it. Because apparently I love commitment. The Carpuride W702 Pro clips straight into its mount, solid, secure and drama-free. And with the special key, it's just as easy to take off when you need to.
Alright champions, by now you've seen me introduce it. unbox it, install it, and play with all the buttons. And so far, the Carpuride 702 Pro has been polite, well behaved, and very optimistic. But now things are about to change, because it's time for the artist weighing pressure test. No smooth roads, no favours, no mercy. Let's see if this thing can survive my kind of riding.
Okay, here we go. This is the Real Shakedown. 5 hours on the bike, because if something's going to fail, I prefer to find out today. On the road, at speed, rock solid, clear, and not rattling itself to death. That's always a good sign. Rain test, because the electronics love water. Screen still bright, still readable, and I'm still getting wetter than I planned. Out in the bush on dirt trails, dust, bumps, vibrations. This is where lies are exposed. Still working, still readable. Misty trails in the bush, visibility down, vibes up. Screen cut straight through it, unlike my confidence. Music on, because it keeps the voices in my head at bay. Honestly, this feature alone might save lives. And yes, it's got a proper equaliser. Rock, classical, jazz, depending on whether I'm feeling aggressive, cultured, or confused. Built-in compass. That's it. I'll never get lost again. I mean, I'll still get lost, but now it'll be intentional. Plus, the Carpuride takes a mini SD card, which means you can play a movie. So technically, you could watch one of my YouTube videos and watch me ride whilst you ride. What could possibly go wrong? And the most impressive thing for me, because I never navigate, I usually just ride and hope for the best. Now, I have this big beautiful screen running Google Maps. So I'm definitely never getting lost again, not even intentionally. The Carpuride W702 Pro has it all. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, via pressure monitoring system, SOS mode, navigation and voice control, dual Bluetooth audio system, music sharing, compass and barometer, light sensing design, ultra sensitive touch screen, and of course it works on all terrains in every environment. Hell, it would have been quicker for me to tell you what it doesn't do.
Alright, you magnificent motorcyclists. After setting it up, riding with it, and testing it out in the real world, I gotta say I am seriously impressed. The screen on the Carpuride W702 Pro is big, bright, and crystal clear. Perfect for an old bloke like me who doesn't need to be squinting at tiny icons instead of concentrating on my ride. It's simple to use, and having navigation right out in front of me is a real game changer, especially seeing as I have an epic 7-day adventure ride coming up very soon. And yes, I will be sharing every dusty, wonderful kilometre of that with you all. If you're thinking about buying one, make sure you click the link below for a 30% discount. Always a win in my book. As for the verdict, well, it's 5 big beautiful stars from me. Because the Carpuride 702 Pro is simple, clear, and easy to use. And that's important, because I've already got my hands full trying to stay upright on my bike. I'm artist Wayne Dowson. Thanks for watching, legends. Ride hard, stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next one.